Howdy, everyone. It's Hunter with Crypto 101 here today to talk about the Coinbase Wallet, otherwise rebranded as the Base app. Now, if you like this video, feel free to subscribe, leave a like, and a comment for more content like this. If you've tried using Coinbase Wallet on the desktop over the last 6 months, you know that it's quite a mess. You have a Base app from the Coinbase.com homepage that leads to a mobile download. You have a web application that nobody seems to be able to find, and you have an extension that's quite convoluted and hard to fund. But after this video, hopefully all of that will be reconciled. I'm here on the Coinbase.com homepage, and we know that the Coinbase wallet has been rebranded to the Base app, which we can find over here in the top right corner. From clicking on that Base app link, it brings you to a landing page that wants you to download the iOS or Android application for your mobile device. That's all fine and dandy, but I found this on the desktop application and I'd like to use my desktop. So let's dig into that. The big distinction here is the Base app is actually separate from Coinbase.com. You're going to have separate keys, separate login info than you would on Coinbase. Coinbase has 3 different wallet products. First, the Base app, which you see on the screen right now, which leads you to download a mobile application on iOS or Android. Second, the browser extension, which most people are familiar with. And then third, a web application. Let's start with the web browser extension because that's what most people are familiar with and what most people need to use. Now, you can find this like you would for many other extensions. Go to the Chrome web store.google.com. This is the page here. You can search for Coinbase Wallet extension, the first one that comes up. So this is the confusing part because it's still called the Coinbase Wallet extension, even though it is the Base app now. This extension right here is your DApp signer, otherwise known as your decentralized application signer. So that when you go to like a Uniswap, this is what's going to allow you to transact on that decentralized exchange. This is the extension that pops up to approve transactions. As of now, it works on Chrome, Brave, and Edge, but not Safari and Firefox. Let's go ahead and show you how to add it to your browser. We go here, click on this, go to add to Chrome or add to Brave or add to Edge. Go ahead and add extension. Now that it's added as an extension, we can go to our extensions, click on Coinbase Wallet extension, and this is what should come up as a first-time user. Now you can create a new wallet or you might already have a wallet. Let's assume you don't have a wallet. We're going to click on create new wallet. Here's where you're going to want to be very careful. Take down your 12-word recovery phrase. Lock this somewhere safely because if you lose this, you might lose access to your account. This phrase is your wallet. If you lose it, Coinbase cannot recover it for you. Then go ahead and just click this box and continue to confirm your new wallet. Now, of course, you don't have to create a new wallet. You can import an existing wallet by clicking on I already have a wallet. Here you could enter your recovery phrase or private key or connect a hardware wallet like a ledger. So now that you have your new wallet created or an existing one imported and then the extension added to your browser, you should get a screen like this, and let's see how we can fund it for transactions going further. I presume many people that are using the Coinbase Wallet extension probably already have a Coinbase account. So it's very simple. If you have funds within Coinbase or you have a link with your bank account already linked up in Coinbase, you can just add crypto right here. The first thing you can do is you can add crypto with Coinbase on-ramp. Click this. So any funds you have here on Coinbase.com, you can transfer into the wallet. So I have a USDC balance right here. I could go ahead, click on this, and I can say, let's go ahead and transfer 1 USDC. Preview send. So obviously I already have USDC in Coinbase. What this does is now it will move it to the Coinbase wallet where I have self-custody rather than it sitting on the exchange. Of course, be prudent about which network you are transferring your assets over from. Here are the different networks. Here we're going to be using Base. We're going to click confirm. If you have multi-factor authentication on your account, make sure you verify your identity here. There you go, 1 USD sent to our wallet extension. So that's all great, but what if you don't have funds on Coinbase already, whether it's from your bank account or from just USDC or some other crypto assets sitting within Coinbase Exchange? Well, we can also transfer from another wallet, all right? So you could receive from Coinbase like we just did, transfer from another wallet as well. So now you can see my wallet extension and we have $1 in there. Okay, now that we have funds within our Coinbase wallet extension, what can we do with it? Well, we can come to a decentralized exchange, some sort of decentralized application like Uniswap, and we can connect our wallet to Coinbase Wallet. Connect. We're connected. Now we can use the funds in our Coinbase wallet to help us transact on Uniswap or any other type of decentralized exchange or decentralized application that allows you to connect your Coinbase wallet. You can also swap directly within the extension by looking for swap up here on the home page. And by doing so, this brings us to the third product that we wanted to discuss, which is the web application, which can be found at wallet.coinbase.com. Again, that's wallet.coinbase.com. Coinbase.com. If you didn't click on swap within the extension to get there, you can type it in manually to get there, wallet.coinbase.com. Here we can make sure that our wallet is connected by looking up here at the top right where the wallet icon is. And we should see our crypto balance and that Coinbase wallet. This is the beginning of Coinbase's destiny to create the everything application. This is supposed to be kind of the all-encompassing wallet and web-based application that you can see all of your assets, your different wallets, and different applications. So on the homepage, you can see trending products like NFTs. You can explore different functionalities, different products, stuff relating to games, stuff relating to social, different creators, and a lot of this stuff is NFT based. You can check your assets over here on the left. Here you can see all your crypto assets within your Coinbase wallet or any other wallet you have connected here. You can look and see where you have money in different DeFi applications. You can check your prior transactions. You can also add other wallets here. So at the top right, if we click on that wallet icon once again, you go down to manage, you can go to add wallet, and here you can add all these different type of wallets, like your Phantom wallet for Solana or your Ravi wallet or even the MetaMask wallet. That's all fine and dandy, but how do I use the balance that I just funded into the Coinbase wallet on my phone through the Base app? Well, go back to the homepage of Coinbase.com. Up here, click on Base app or just type in join.base app. Go ahead and download the mobile application or scan the QR to get the Android or iOS mobile application. Now, when you download the Base app application, go ahead and say, I already have a wallet. And then those 12 words for the recovery phrase that we created at the beginning to create a new wallet, import those into the Base application, and you should have your funds on your Base app just like you do on the wallet. The thing to understand is that the funds that you see in your wallet or on the web application or in the extension, this is just a UI to display what you have on chain. All right. So you have the keys to your funds as long as you remember your recovery phrase and you keep that locked away and don't let anybody else see it, then you can utilize that on any type of application that allows the functionality to display those funds. So now you should understand the three major products related to Coinbase wallets at the moment. Yes, it's convoluted, but we discussed having a Coinbase account and having funds there. We discussed downloading the Coinbase wallet extension and then adding funds to the wallet extension. We discussed the full portfolio management platform, the all and everything in one application, the wallet.coinbase.home. And then we discussed downloading the mobile application and importing that recovery phrase to have both of your wallet extension and your Base app mobile application connected. The most important part is the phrase is the wallet. The applications are just a window to the wallet. And this is how the whole ecosystem is combined. So that's Coinbase Wallet rebranded as the Base app and the three different products that we want to be focused on. Of course, this is a bit of a cursory overview of this topic, and we can go into much more detail on any of the specific topics. So just leave a like and a comment. Tell us what you want to learn more about, or if this helped you, or if it saves some time, and feel free to subscribe as well for more content like this.